Senior APHC leader Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar has said that Chattissinghpora massacre was a sinister conspiracy hatched by India to divide Kashmiris on religious lines and also to defame the Kashmir's legitimate freedom movement. Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar on the 23rd anniversary of Sikh massacre by Indian agencies in Chattissinghpora, said the carnage was carried out to give an impression to the world that Sikhs were killed by Kashmiri Mujahideen on the behest of Pakistan. As the world is observing International Day of Happiness today, something strange to the people of the occupied Kashmir, who even on the same day witnessed a brutal massacre of Sikh brothers by Indian Army and its agencies in Chattissinghpora area of Islamabad district 23 years ago. According to Kashmir Media Service, 35 members of Sikh community were massacred by the troops in disguise in Chattissinghpora on March 20, 2000, on the eve of the then US President Bill Clinton's visit to India. Fascist Modi-led Indian regime has launched a major offensive aimed at dispossessing locals of their lands and properties in the name of anti-encroachment campaign. The drive has instilled fear among all Kashmiri people without discrimination of caste, creed and region about their being turning into an enslaved minority. Indian police on Monday attacked two houses in villages of North Kashmir's Bandipur district. The houses were attached on the fake charge that they were once used by the pro-freedom activists. Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference has said that the Chattissinghpora massacre was a heinous conspiracy hatched by India to defame the Kashmir freedom movement. APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said that India carried out the massacre to mislead the international community. Situation has gone from bad to worse in 6 dominated states of Punjab and Haryana as a manhunt for the prominent pro-Khalistan leader has entered its 3rd day as the authorities shut the mobile internet in the whole of Punjab state and arrest more than 100 of his supporters. Amritpal Singh rose to prominence in recent months demanding the creation of Khalistan. Canada's New Democratic Party leader Jagmeet Singh raised concerns over the Indian police massive crackdown in the Indian state of Punjab and threat to life of pro-Khalistan leader Amritpal Singh, leading to the suspension of the internet. Calling for Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's intervention, Jagmeet Singh said the draconian measures are unsettling for many given their historical use to execute extrajudicial killings and enforce disappearances during the 1984 Sikh genocide. Pro-Khalistan activists in the United Kingdom entered Indian mission in London, pulled down the Indian flag and replaced it with the Khalistan flag.